Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So I'm very excited because I have my Sephora Play. If you're unfamiliar with Sephora Play or Play by Sephora, whatever the hell it's called, it is a monthly beauty subscription by Sephora, obviously. That is only $10 a month. You get small sample size items, but everything in this box is something you can purchase at Sephora, so it's really cool to get things and then try them out before you can splurge and spend all your money on those full-size items. So I do not know what is in my box this month. I think my box number is 5029. I'm pretty sure I'm opening this later than most people, but if that means anything to you, that is my variation. Anyways, I am gonna grab my scissors and let's get unboxing. So when I open the box, this is what I see. So every single month you get 50 beauty insider points that you could either use online or in store, which is super cool. I've only used it like once or twice, but really I get most of my stuff from subscription boxes. But if I fall in love with anything in here, I will definitely make sure to take advantage of that. Let's see, when does it expire? Through June 30th. So they give you some time to use your items before this expires. So that's pretty awesome. But it looks like, what is the theme? It says, greetings from Play. National Best Friends Day is right around the corner, and what better way to celebrate than with some handmade beauty cards. Oh, and then there's this like beauty stuff on there. Or beauty cards on there. It says, we go together like serum and face cream. That's kind of cute. Just because you have great lashes. Happy Best Friends Day. Congrats on your great hair day. Just love cute, silly things. Now on the other side, it has information on all of the items. It doesn't include the pricing information, but you can always use your app or go online to find that out if you are interested in any of the items. And inside the box is a bag, and it's pretty much looks like this all the time. It's like a little Ziploc bag that you can reuse if you want. And it says, what are you waiting for? Open me. So I'm just gonna pour it all out. And I see something I'm really excited about. Okay, I am just gonna start with the first thing I see that I really wanted to get in a past Boxy charm, but I did not. So this is by Sol de Janeiro. I love their Bum Bum cream. I'm actually gonna get that in my FabFitFun. I selected that as one of my customization options, so I'm super excited about that. But this is their Cocoa Cabana cream. I think this is one of their newest, if not the newest, creams, and I've heard such different things about what people think it smells like, and now I get to try. So this is Moisture, Magnet Oil, and Water Body Cream. An instant rush of hydration for visibly luscious skin and lasting moisture, and I am like all about moisturizing. I do it all the time. So let's see what this says, and then we'll do the smell test. This says, well, this is a Sephora exclusive, so that's cool. A coconut-infused body cream that delivers intense hydration for 72 hours. Serve tropical vibes with this coconut sugar cupachu concoction that draws moisture out of the air and into your skin with a delightful, warm, and spicy scent. Okay, so let's see. Some people think it smells like popcorn. Some people think it smells like dessert. There is a safety seal, so that's good. If I can get it off. Oh my god, it does kind of smell like buttered popcorn. Now let me put it on my hands and see what it smells like that way. Ooh, it's definitely very moisturizing. When they say 72 hours, I always wonder, I'm like, who doesn't shower or do something in 72 hours? But I guess if you don't, this will work. Oh my god. It totally does smell like popcorn. Like popcorn Jelly Belly or something, so it's like a little sweet. I'm just gonna be sniffing my hands. Yeah, I totally get that people said. I don't mind it. I mean, it doesn't smell like coconut to me though. Maybe like a little teeny bit of coconut, but that's so interesting. People were right when they said that, like that popcorn type, Jelly Belly type smell. It's totally what I smell. So I'm happy to have it though. I think this is such a cute little tub you can keep in your bag or wherever. Next up I see something by Moroccan Oil. Comes in this little bag. What is this? I like their hair oil. This is Protect and Prevent Spray. Okay. So this is what it actually looks like. How much is in here? This isn't too bad. 20 mLs. So it's for color complete. It says mist evenly through mid-lengths and ends, comb to distribute, and style as usual. So let's see what it says. A leave-in conditioning spray. Okay, that makes sense. That cares for and protects strands from pollution. Everyday environmental stressors threaten your hair health, but this antioxidant-packed formula protects strands from color fade while adding major shine. Cool. I feel like I have a bunch of like leave-in conditioners right now, but I really do like this brand, so I'm excited to try this out. Next up, this is by Cora Organics. This is a face oil. I need this. You guys, I feel like my face has been suffering the past few days. I ran out of my Sunday Riley face oil, the vitamin C one, like CEO Glow or whatever it is I got in my Sunday Riley spring box, and then also in Allure. Was it Allure? I'm blanking right now. I think so, yeah. So I went through 2 of them, and my skin just is not the same, so that would be cool if this face oil works. I've been trying the Wonder Beauty one, and I just don't feel like my skin, it just seems like it's off lately. I don't know if it's just like coincidence or what, but anyways, I'll stop blabbering. This is super cute and little, but you don't need too much oil. It says apply a few drops over the face, neck, and décolleté. An antioxidant-packed moisturizing oil that brightens and smooths skin. It's made from certified organic noni extract. This lightweight formula absorbs quickly and leaves skin soft, visibly plump, and glowing. I'm really excited to try this out. I don't think I've ever tried anything by the brand Cora. Oops. This is like glass type material. Yeah, I'm looking at their logo. I don't know if I have, but I'm super excited because if this works out, that would be great. Because I need a new face oil in my life, or I need to splurge and get the CEO Glow Oil, whatever the hell it's called. So this is like in a big baggie. I don't know why. Maybe because it comes with like a piece of paper, but this is by Lancome. And it says, discover Lancome. This gift is just a glimpse into the beautiful world of Lancome. I don't really know why. I guess because it has the ingredients and everything that was included. I had this a long time ago, but it's been a while, and I actually do, well, I haven't the past few days, but normally I've been using like Mascara Primer. So this is their Cils Booster XL Super Enhancing Mascara Base. And I think this is one of those ones that is white. It says this is a conditioning primer that lengthens and straightens lashes prior to mascara application. It's infused with microfibers and vitamin E. This primer improves your mascara's performance, producing darker, longer, and more voluminous lashes. Plus, it doubles as a nurturing lash mask at night. Oh, cool. You can just like wear this to bed. That's a good idea. I'm definitely excited to try this out. It's cool. I'm liking this one. Oh, I love this mascara, and I ran out of my last sample. This is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. I think the last one I received was from Birchbox. For a second I was like, wait, did I get a repeat? But sometimes I mix up my boxes. But this isn't going to be my next empties video. I don't keep every sample for my empties. I mean, I haven't even started doing empties videos, but like in my collection, I don't like keep every single sample I use up, because I do use up a lot. Only the ones worth talking about, or else I'd have a million in there. I'm trying to do more like full-size things. But I did keep this one because I really, really like this mascara, so I'm happy to get it. I really enjoyed it, so that's awesome. This is a great Sephora Play Month. So this is an out of this world mascara that adds weightless length and volume for up to 36 hours. I don't know why I almost said 60. It's a waterproof formula derived from space technology. Takes lashes to the next level with gravity-defying lift and vitamins that support natural lash strength. Awesome, I'm super excited to have that. And then I think there is one more thing, which is my month's bonus. So every month we get 5 things and then a bonus item. And the bonus item is usually a perfume sample, which I prefer, or a foil packet. And I got a perfume sample, and this is by Jo Malone London. This is Wood Sage and Sea Salt Cologne. That's interesting. I don't think I know this brand, so let's see what it says. It says, escape the everyday along the windswept shore. Enwrapping, sea salt fresh, spirited. Let's get this out of here. It says it's a fresh, earthy scent that evokes crashing waves, salty air, and invigorating sea spray. British fashion house Jo Malone London celebrates elegant English style, and its unique fragrances crafted with the highest quality ingredients are equally sophisticated. It's in the fresh fragrance family. Its top notes are ambrette seeds, middle note of sea salt, and base note sage. And it's actually like full. Sometimes you get these perfume samples and they're not all the way full. I don't think I put perfume on. I just have like my butter popcorn hands. Let's see. Oh, this smells good. Definitely fresh. I like this. This is really nice. It's not like overpowering. It just smells really fresh. Like they say that it's in the fragrance family fresh. I totally agree with that. I am no expert at describing scents, but I can tell you the smell is really good. It's like perfect for every day because it's not too strong. I am really happy to have this. That's a really good scent. This was a great Sephora Play Month. So let's just do a quick recap. Even though this smells like, you know, popcorn or whatever the hell, popcorn jelly belly, butter popcorn. I'm excited to have this. I think their products are so moisturizing and great. Face oil, I'm on the search for a face oil, or I just have to rebuy my favorite. So that's awesome. The Moroccan hair spray. Like I said, I have a lot of hair sprays right now, or leave-in conditioner sprays, but I really like this brand, so I'm excited to try that out. And I've tried this Lancome booster before and I really like it. And I love this mascara. It's like one of my favorites, so, and I'm out of it, so I'm super pumped about that. And the perfume smells good. So yeah, Sephora Play for the win in May. I'm super happy. You guys have to let me know what you got in your box. Are we twins? Of course, I will leave the link down to Sephora Play if you have not yet subscribed and you are interested. Leave any giveaway links going on below in the description box too. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Thank you so much for unboxing with me. I love you guys. I hope you consider subscribing before you go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!